Hi, first grade. We're going to get started with doing kind of a review of something we did last week. I'm going to sing some pitch patterns using solfege, and you're going to repeat it after me, and we're going to try to figure out what song that comes from. So sing after me. So, so, me, so, so, 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 me. Any ideas of what that song was? It was Será, Será, Será Dor. So let's see if we can sing along to the song. Será, será, será dor. Quantos paus o Senhor serão? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Será, será, será dor. Quantos paus o Senhor serão? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sawing lumberjack, how many saws will you stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, we need to remember that a song is made up of many parts: pitches, rhythms, tempo, and how loud or how soft the music is. These all help to express the meaning of the song, and today we're going to explore some ways to express ourselves through music. So let's see if we can remember what Será, 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 Será Dor was about. If we think about the words, in English, it was sawing, sawing, lumberjack, how many logs will you stack? It was about sawing woods in a lumberjack. Now, I want you to think about sawing a log. What that's going to sound like. Is it going to be fast or slow? Is it going to be loud or quiet? Think about the sound. It's probably going to be a little bit loud, and most of the time it's going to be like a slow to medium speed. Not many lumberjacks are going to go off to the races sawing their logs. So I want you to sing the song using your choice of speed, which is tempo, and your choice of volume, which is dynamics. Okay? So you need to choose how fast or how slow you're going to sing it, and how loud or how quietly you're going to sing it. And you can do it in English. So for instance, if I decided to sing it about medium speed and loudly, it would go, sawing, sawing, lumberjack, how many logs will you stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I want you to take a moment to sing the song however fast or slow you want to sing it, and however loud or quiet you want to sing it. Okay, now we are going to listen to a song in a moment, and before we get started, I want you to take a look at this page right here where it gives us a new symbol. These are repeat signs. Repeat repeat signs are where you repeat everything inside them. So we're going to look for where we see repeat signs on this page. Yep, we see repeat signs here and here. So these lines will get repeated when we hear the song. So I want you to listen to the song and tap or pat to the beat. So if we look at this, at the rhythms, we see that this is a set of double eighth notes, and this is a quarter note. So what we're going to do is, when we see double eighth notes, we are going to say hiding. And when we see the quarter note, we're going to say chicks. So it would go hiding, 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 chicks. So I'm going to say it, and you're going to say it and clap it after me. Hiding, 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 chicks. Hiding, chicks, chicks, chicks. And then we repeat, hiding, chicks, chicks, chicks. Then we go to this line, hiding, chicks, hiding, hiding. And then we repeat it again, hiding, chicks, hiding, hiding. Then we have chicks, chicks, hiding, hiding. Hiding, chicks, hiding, hiding. Chicks, chicks, hiding, hiding, chicks, chicks. Good. Now, looking at this, we see that our notes go back and forth between two spaces. And one of the spaces that the notes are in is higher than the other. And we remember talking about notes the past couple weeks where if one note is in a space, then the other is in a space. Do you remember what those notes are? So and me. And if so is in a space, then me is in the space below it. So that means, according to this, so is right here in the second space. So any note that's in the second space is so. That means that any note that's in this first space is me. So then our pattern becomes so, so, me, me, so, so, me. So, so, me, so, me. So, so, me, so, me. So, so, me, so, so, me, me. So, so, me, so, so, me, me. So, me, so, so, me, me. So, so, me, so, 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 so me. And then the last one is said, so it's not a so or a me. Now, I'm going to read the song out loud with words, and I need you to think about whether we should sing the song fast or slow and loud or quiet. So we're going to decide the tempo, which is the speed, and we're going to decide the dynamics, which is the volume. And something else we need to understand about this song is that this is a call and response song where one person sings and then a group or another person answers. In this case, it's the mama hen calling to her baby chicks. So the leader would be the mama hen and the group would be the baby chicks answering. So let's pay attention to what each are saying to each other. Come back home, my little chicks. We won't come. Why not? We're afraid. Of what? Of the wolf. Where's he hiding? In the woods. What's he doing? Washing. Where's he washing? By the stream. What's he dry his face on? On the kitty cat's tail. So, thinking about this song and the words that we're hearing and what's going on, do you think when the mama hen sings that she's going to sing loud or quiet? At first, mama hen is calling out to her baby chicks, come back home, my little chicks. So she might be singing loudly. But then the chicks, when they answer, they're saying that we won't come because we're afraid of the wolf. And so if they're afraid of the wolf, do they want the wolf to hear them? No. So they might be answering quietly. And because they are nervous because mama hen is trying to find her chicks and the baby chicks are afraid of the wolf, it might be a little bit fast. But then at the end, we say that he dries his face on the kitty cat's tail, which means the chicks are telling their mama a joke. And so they're probably gonna get all excited and giggly and laugh and get loud, right? So let's listen to see how this is going to be sung. It could go something like this. Come back home, my little chicks. We won't come. Why not? We're afraid of what? Of the wolf. Where's he hiding? In the woods. What's he doing? Washing. Where's he washing? By the stream. What's he dry his face on? On the kitty cat's tail. So what we're going to do is we're going to sing this song. And I want you to sing the part of the baby chicks right now. And I'm going to put it up on the screen for you to see. And I'll point to when you're supposed to sing. And you're going to sing with the recording during those parts. Make sure that until the end you're singing quietly because you're hiding from the wolf. And then at the end you're just telling your mama a joke. So let's pay attention and make sure to sing with our best singing voices. Come back home, my little chicks.
We won't come.
Why not?
We're afraid
Of what?
of the wolf.
Where's he hiding?
In the woods.
What's he doing?
Washing
Where's he washing?
by the stream.
What's he dry his face on?
On the kitty cat's tail.
Good. That was a good job. Now, I want you to listen as I read this poem. And I want you to move your hands apart for if I'm loud and together for if I'm quiet. I had a little hen, the prettiest ever seen. She washed up the dishes and kept the house clean. She went to the mill to fetch us some flour and always got home in less than an hour. She baked me my bread. She made me my tea. She sat by the fire and sang to me. So, I'm going to read it again, and this time I'm going to show you when I was loud and quiet. I had a little hen, the prettiest ever seen. She washed up the dishes and kept the house clean. She went to the mill to fetch us some flour, and always got home in less than an hour. She baked me my bread. She made me my tea. She sat by the fire and sang to me. Now we're going to listen to a song that you may be familiar with, or not. And I want you to move your hands just like we did for the poem. So apart for loud, close together for quiet. I'm not going to help. So we're going to go back and review a little speech piece that we did a few weeks ago. If you remember, we did 1, 2, 3, 4. You remember? It was 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary at the kitchen door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mary at the garden gate. So what I want you to do is we're going to do this again, and we are going to clap along with the rhythm of the words that we're saying. So repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary at the kitchen door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mary at the garden gate. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a melody using So and Me for this speech piece. So it could go back and forth like we did with Santa, Santa, Santa Door or Tinker Tailor. So it could go 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary at the kitchen door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mary at the garden gate. Or it could be as complicated as 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary at the kitchen door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mary at the garden gate. And you can mix it up how you want. So I want you to take some time to do that. Maybe teach it to your family. Get them to sing it along with you. So that's your job for this week, to do that. And now we're going to go to another song we learned when we did Tinker Tailor, right? And I want you to think about the pitches that we use when we sing this, the rhythms. You know, do we use quarter notes? Do we use double eighth notes? How does the pattern how are they put together? And the dynamic level, you know, louder or softer, and the tempo, faster or slower. So I want you to think about that as we sing it. want you to think about those things, especially the tempo, which is the fast and slow, and the dynamics, the loud and quiet. And I want you to choose a different tempo or dynamic level to sing this song. Take some time to do that. I want you to remember the things that we've talked about today, where we talked about dynamics, which is the loud and quiet, and tempo, which is the fast or slow. And if you hear meowing, that's my cat. So I will see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Bye.